Hello, in this video we're going to go over the various menu and navigation options available to you in the e-commerce system. The purpose is really just to show you all the different options available and how to get access to the things that you'll use most. Once you've finished this video, you'll feel confident that you can get access to the things that you need and move around like a pro. The most versatile navigation component is in the menu bar. By clicking the basket button, you'll see that there are 6 elements. These elements are always going to be visible, whichever aspect of the menu and control panel you're using. These options are always going to be there. They're divided into 2 sections. The first, orders, items and groups, are essentially small individual functions that you can use. So by clicking into items, you see all the items. By clicking into the groups, you see all the groups. And clicking onto orders, you see all the orders. Nice and simple. The second set are groups. So by clicking on layout, you see all of the various layout options for your basket. By clicking on settings, these are all of the various settings that you can change to make your basket work in a different way. And finally, the options for extras. These are components, additional components that you can work with to gain more functionality from your basket. Now you may also notice that running down the left there is a second version of that same menu that exists at the top. So here are your 3 options which relate to specific functional areas, so orders, items and groups, etc. And running down the left you can also see the sub-menus which relate to the additional options that are available to you. So for example, if you choose the top menu button, you click on layout and you choose for example the galleries option, then you'll see running down the left the layout options will have opened and the gallery will be highlighted with a little blue ring. A nice touch. Now although there are lots of options here, let me show you how many in total. You can see running all the way down, there's lots to play with here. The one button, the one area that you're going to be in the most is in items. By clicking items, you'll see all of the items that you've added. Essentially, this is a table of everything that you are selling. Your items contain your marketing messages, your images, your descriptions, your sales logic, your individual shipping details, everything really. And you'll find yourself coming back here time and time again by clicking on an item that shows you what the item looks like. By clicking on edit here, that enables you to edit the item. So if there's one area that you're going to be visiting a lot, it's going to be this page, and you can access it by clicking the left option here or from basket and items at the top. Nice and clean. Just one final thing I will mention is when you're actually inside an item, you'll see running across the top there is another set of menu options. These will be presented to you based on what you are doing at that time. So by clicking all items, that takes you back to the grid, nice and simple. By clicking edit this item, obviously you're going to edit it. All settings will show you all the settings related to that item. So these are all the options available to you for the item and for the shopping basket. So hopefully that makes sense and you're now able to take on the shopping basket with confidence. Many thanks.